Will Cardano still skyrocket to $5 this bull cycle in 2025? ADA holders, I know it's been a rocky ride here. I mean, we've had some good days here in the last 90 days. Of course, we have seen 196% returns in the last 3 months. And the days of us being sitting down there at 30 cents or past us, we've obviously popped up a little bit. We've got as high as around $1.23 within the last 90 days, but we want more. Obviously, we want Cardano to get institutional adoption. We want Cardano ETFs. We want Cardano use cases. And I do believe with Trump in here that Cardano could be set to benefit, right? Remember this, Trump is in office now, and we are looking at the top cryptos very differently than we once were. Right? The likes of XRP, HBAR, XLM, Cardano, Solana, Algorand, and many others. But the real question is there enough money to go around? So in this video, I want to give you guys the breakdown, what we need to see in order to see a $5 price target for Cardano. This has been my target since 2021. I've held with the Cardano army for a really long time. So if you're part of the Cardano community, smash the like button. Let me know you're here. Let's push this up. And I want to give you guys the breakdown on what's going on right now. There was a great article that recently just came out on Coin Edition, and we'll dive into that right here. But again, subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button. Let people know we're here. We're rocking with you, because institutional focus is slowly turning to Cardano, turning to ADA, even though the price action may not feel that way. And they have an interesting take on a Cardano ETF that I want to highlight as well. So here's what we've got. Nate Garassi, CEO of the ETF store, brought on discussions within crypto Twitter when he predicted Cardano to be the next digital asset to see spot ETF filings. With the surge of interest in Cardano ETFs, ADA might soon join the race. Top 10 crypto assets by market cap. 2 have live ETFs. 3 have live ETF filings. Guessing Cardano is next. Now, Eric Balchunas recently put out a tweet. Let me check this, because Balchunas is one that called the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF very early. And I want to give you guys the breakdown on ETFs right now, because there's a lot to like, okay? We've got a Doge ETF. This is wild. Bitwise is filing a Dogecoin ETF. And if we look at this list that he put together, it's very, very interesting, okay, in terms of where we are. This is Nate Garassi, by the way, who we follow. He thinks that we are going to get a Cardano ETF sooner rather than later. But this is the post I wanted to find. 33 crypto ETFs now currently filed with the SEC. The list doubled since Gensler left the building on Friday. That is crazy. So the ETF hype is real. It's picking up steam, and it's only going to get bigger, I think, as we look toward the future. Won't be surprised if it hits 50 within a week or two. This is coming from Balchunas. We just got a Dogecoin ETF filing. I think Cardano could be next up. I think we're on to something here. Nate Garassi is. So you guys can see here, these are the things that have been filed, and some of these have went through, but you can see Solana. There's some basket ETFs here, Grayscale Digital Large Cap, which has Cardano in it from time to time. Solana's got a bunch, XRP, Litecoin, HBAR, Ethereum, even a Trump ETF has been filed, which is nuts. Bonk, Doge, some more Solana, Ethereum, right? So we are seeing ETF filings really, really heat up, and that's good for Cardano. Now, Garassi believes ADA is a strong contender for issuers alongside Avalanche. This comes as the market shows growing interest in crypto index funds and spot ETF filings for Solana and XRP. I think Cardano would be great in a basket ETF as well. Now, it says here, the idea of an ADA ETF is gaining traction. A recent whale post highlighted Cardano's relatively low risk compared to other cryptos. Its decentralized design, strong community, and consistent performance since its 2017 launch makes it stand out. With 58% of ADA tokens staked and the network boasting 100% uptime since launch, a lot of networks cannot say that. Cardano has earned a reputation for reliability. This appeals to institutional investors seeking stability in a volatile market. ADA was trading right now just under $1. Volume has been down, but that's across the cryptocurrency market. ADA's metrics, though, reveal a healthy supply distribution. 35 plus billion ADA in circulation and a total supply capped at 45 billion. Cardano remains well positioned. So despite recent price swings, some analysts are still optimistic about Cardano here. Ali believes ADA could hit 150 if it breaks through 110 resistance. He points to a symmetrical triangle pattern that emerged on the 4-hour chart starting on January 21st. This usually says, hey, we're going to see a pattern of consolidation before we get a major breakthrough. Cardano's still comfortably in the top 10, $33 plus billion, well above Tron. And you guys can see here in the last month what has transpired. We're up almost 7%, kind of range bound right now. But if you zoom out, we're still in a really good spot. We've held on to this 84-cent support level on the low side. We've come down, to 90 cents, 88 cents here. If we drop down below 90, I think Cardano gets really interesting, at least for me. My open position is right around 75 cents. It's my average cost on Cardano. I've stacked a lot of it. Bought high, though, too, back in 2021, but have DCA'd my way back in, especially with these opportunities, getting Cardano at 25, 30 cents for a really long time during the bear market. We're still up over 100% the last year, and Cardano still looks relatively strong in terms of being primed for a breakout. We're still 69, 70% down from its all-time high, which is $3.10. Once we get these ETF filings really heating up across the market, I think Cardano is going to be part of that party. Charles Hoskinson could be part of the entire crypto committee that's being formed. There's a lot to like about Cardano. Nobody's really talking about it right now, and that is why I like it. And their top meme coin is another thing to watch. SNEC, okay? SNEC has gone up tremendously still here in the last year. Now, we have come down and broke some relatively, I would say mild support levels, but SNEC is another one. If Cardano breaks loose and gets to, $5, $6 this cycle, even $4 to $6, you've got to believe that SNEC, the top meme coin on Cardano, is going to do some big numbers. So my bags are packed right now on Cardano and SNEC. That's not financial advice, but I'm betting big on both of these. Now, if you want to bet big on Cardano or any other asset, you can go long with me over on BTCC. This is a top tier exchange. It's been around for 13 plus years. Happy to find these guys. A lot of these exchanges come and go. BTCC has been here for 13 plus years. They're super reliable. They're trusted by millions for well over a decade. You're going to get a ton of sign-on bonuses when you sign up using my link only today over at BTCC. So check that out. And of course, the trading indicator. This is my company. If you want these alerts to fire when it's the buy signal on Cardano and any other assets, sign up with XT Algo. It's a free trial run for 30 days. You can cancel at any time, full refund. Why not, right? Why not give it a shot? I'm pumped about the success that this has had. We've had a ton of people using this since August 2023, and they're crushing it with their massive gains. So links are down below for both of those, BTCC and XT Algo. But that's my take right now on Cardano, guys. I think the ETF hype is going to heat up. The institutional focus then turns to Cardano, and it's going to have, I believe, a nice bull run. And in order for Cardano to get to that $5 target, you might be asking, what's it got to do? It's got to get just shy of $180 billion market cap. Okay? That's a 422% swing to the upside. We've seen that happen with ease. We're currently sitting at around a $35 billion market cap. It would have to get nearly to 180. But with the amount of liquidity that could be coming into the market, this should not be extremely difficult for Cardano, especially if we get some of that institutional demand driven by ETFs. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And drop your comments down below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts as well. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.